Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English tutorial. This is the part 3 video of lesson 13 Ghosts on the Veranda by Ruskin Bond. এই ভিডিওতে আমি তোমাদেরকে পুরো এক্সারসাইজটা সলভ করিয়ে দেব, সো ভিডিওটা শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখো। আর আমার পড়ানো যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে অবশ্যই ভিডিওটি লাইক অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করো আর অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। Activity 6. Complete the following sentences with information from the text. Number A. Anil's mother thought that seeing a snake is lucky in the early morning. Number B. Kamal and the author did not want to go to their room because they were enjoying the company of Anil's mother. Number C. When Anil's mother saw the boys rushing about, she screamed and collapsed in a cot. Number D. Kamal sang softly because he wanted to raise their spirits. Activity 7. Answer the following questions. Number A. Why did Anil and Mulia appear pale and anxious? Anil and Mulia appeared pale and anxious because they were frightened after listening to the ghost stories by Anil's mother. Number B. What did Anil's mother think when she saw the room empty? Anil's mother thought when she saw the room empty that maybe Kamal and Rusty, the ghosts were conspiring against Kamal and Rusty. Number C. What was the effect of Kamal singing on the author? The effect of Kamal singing was it made the atmosphere more eerie. Number D. Do you think Anil's mother believed in ghosts? Give a reason for your answer. Anil's mother believed in ghosts. As a reason, আমরা এটা বলতে পারি যে Anil's mother forbade Mulia to let loose her hair at noon, as ghosts may attract to the loose hair and the big black eyes. Activity 8. Fill in the blanks with suitable modals. I can speak English. Number B. We eat so that we may live. You may go now. Number D. May you have good luck. We may be rewarded or we must be rewarded. Number F. I would not surrender. Number G. You would be able to do it in no time. Number H. We can help the poor, but we may help the poor. I would never tell lies, or I should never tell lies. Number J. Tomorrow we would have a holiday. We would have a holiday. Next, activity 9. Fill in the blanks with correct tense of verb given in the brackets. So ব্র্যাকেটে দেওয়া ভার্বগুলোর কারেক্ট ফর্ম দিতে হবে টেন্স দিয়ে। Number A. She ran so fast that I could not overtake her. Number B. I thought I had seen you yesterday. Number C. He helps his neighbors more than he helps his family. Number D. When I saw her, I spoke to her. Number E. The more he learned, the more he wanted to learn. There was a rumor that he died in the accident. We thought that she would succeed. I shall nurse her that she might recover. I shall nurse her that she may recover. এটা মেই থাকবে, সরি এটা মেই থাকবে। Number I left the place as soon as I heard the news. Number J, honesty is the best policy. Activity 10, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct verb given in brackets. All that glitters is not gold. Number B, the great poet and novelist is dead. Each of the boys was given a prize. Number D, Salim as well as his friend are honest. Time and tide waits for none. Wait for none. Time and tide wait for none. Number if neither of the girls has brought her book. G, none but the brave deserves the fair. Number 8, 3/4 of the meal were eaten. Number I, either you or he has done it. J, slow and steady wins the race. Activity 11, fill in the gaps in the following table with appropriate forms of adjectives. Good, better, best. Dark, darker, darkest. Mild, milder, mildest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Hard, harder, hardest. Soft, more soft, most soft. or softer, softestও করা যেতে পারে। আচ্ছা, হাই, হায়ার, হাইয়েস্ট। ব্রাইট, ব্রাইটার, ব্রাইটেস্ট। লেস, লেজার, লিস্ট। বিউটিফুল, মোর বিউটিফুল, মোস্ট বিউটিফুল। ব্যাড, ওয়ার্স, ওয়ার্স্ট। ইন্টেলিজেন্ট, মোর ইন্টেলিজেন্ট, মোস্ট ইন্টেলিজেন্ট। সিরিয়াস, মোর সিরিয়াস, মোস্ট সিরিয়াস। লেস, লেসার, লেস্ট। সুইফট, সুইফটার, সুইফটেস্ট। Activity 12, pick out the adjectives from the following sentences and write their degree. Number A, which is the best book? এখানে the best হলো superlative degree. Number B, December is colder than other months. Colder, the হবে comparative degree. Number C, he is my eldest brother. Eldest হবে superlative. Nothing moves as fast as light. As fast as, তবে পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি। আর লাস্ট আছে সাকসেস ইজ সুইটার দেন ফেলিয়ার, সুইটার হবে কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রি। তো আমি আশা করছি আমি তোমাদেরকে সহজভাবে বুঝিয়ে চ্যাপ্টারটা সলভ করাতে পেরেছি। তো যদি তোমাদের আমার পড়ানো ভালো লেগে থাকে অবশ্যই ভিডিওটি লাইক করো, ইনফরমেশানগুলো শেয়ার করো, আর অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করো এরকমই আরও টেক্সচুয়াল ভিডিওস পাওয়ার জন্য। থ্যাংক ইউ।